Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bernie, Finery Philosophy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an unboxing of the new Louis Vuitton Nano Monogram Speedy. So you guys know social media is our #1 source for fashion news nowadays. I follow this girl named Foxy LV. I always get updates on her new posts, and I saw that there was like a little showroom preview maybe a couple months back, or maybe in December of 2021. They had come out with the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy 20, which is smaller than the 25, but it came with that guitar strap that I wasn't really fond of. It came in a black or a magenta color. It was kind of far blurry, but you know, everyone could make it out. And it's kind of like, oh, there's like a previous bag. It's the I think it was called the HL Speedy. Yeah, okay. So what does that stand for? Okay, comment down below if you know what HL stands for. This bag came out like a while back. It's like a newer version of that. I'm trying to figure out when this bag came out. Okay, whatever, that's not important. History repeats itself, right? So they brought this bag back, but they're calling it the Monogram Nano Speedy. I was shopping around downtown San Francisco and I already knew that this bag was coming, but they weren't sure yet what exact day this would be releasing. I went by the Louis Vuitton store. I walk in and they're like, how can we help you today? We're gonna partner you up with this sales associate. We'll call him T. T was so helpful. I told him about this bag and I showed him that, you know, I have the product code for this. I don't have history purchase through the LV boutique store, but I do have history purchase with the Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale, San Francisco. I was really serious about it. I was like, how does this work? I never purchased anything through you guys. Do I have to pay a deposit? Because I'm willing to pay that up front right now if I need to. I think it was December 28 when I went to the store of 2021. And that's when, you know, I talked to T and I told him all that stuff. He took my number and I've been texting him like asking for updates. So January 5th, he says it's still not orderable. February 2nd, he says that I'm second on the list. February 10, he says they have it. And I gave him my card info. I wanted to go to the store physically, but just with everything happening right now, especially in San Francisco, I mean, there's more cops camped outside that area of Union Square and Powell Street, but I'm still iffy, and I know that they give you like bags to conceal that bright orange Louis Vuitton paper bag, but still. They were trying to ship it to me the following day because, you know, it came from San Francisco. I live in San Francisco. I was not home that day, and they tried again February 14th, and then they tried again February 15th, and I missed all deliveries. It went back to the store, but the manager reshipped it to me, and I was finally home that day. Kind of hard to tell, but you can see there's some sort of creasing right there and folding. I don't know the bag parts, you guys. I'm sorry, help me out. But you can see there's like a bit of creasing there. The stitching looks okay, but yeah, it's just the leather. And for something that's so tiny, like a very tiny bag, I can see why that would happen. And I mean, it's acceptable. I saw people having cracks on the piping over here and I was like, oh no, my bag better not have that. I'm gonna be upset. And yeah, I think she's perfect. It's just such a classic piece, and I knew that the vachetta was treated. I'm forgetting the Louis Vuitton vocabulary. It's patina. Okay, so it has that patina. The Speedy 20, okay, listen, don't get me wrong, the Speedy 20 is super cute, but then it was the trims were just so pasty looking, and I mean over time it's gonna get patina, right? But it just looks so pale. But this one, it's treated, so it looks more classic and vintage looking, but new, updated. I don't know, I just knew I wanted it. When I unboxed it, it didn't come with any stuffing paper. I put this in myself. I actually ordered a bag organizer from Samorga. So the one I ordered, it's actually for the denim version of this, the Hong Kong release only. Or no, I think the denim one was Hong Kong release only. I'm not quite sure. There was a pink one and a blue denim one of this exact size. I guess they haven't updated their website, but I purchased one for this in Louis Vuitton brown interior color. This bag is just so hard to come by right now, and some people aren't even able to get it, so I am very grateful. Maybe I just got super lucky, but I had to show them that I knew and that I wanted. I knew what I wanted. So, you know, you gotta well, that concludes my video on this Monogram Nano Speedy. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you guys think of this bag, and tell me what you think about the price increase. I mean, there was a bag I put on my wish list, it was like $1,200, it's now $1,900. I'm kind of glad I got this bag. I don't know if I'll purchase more from Louis Vuitton, but we'll see, and I'll update you guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.